We're going to demonstrate for you basic box step and foxtrot. We're going to start with the framework and setting up. Ready posture, please?
Posture for ballroom dance. You want to stand up tall. You think tall in your torso, shoulders down, shoulder blades back, along your back, and tuck your rear in. And just keep your head with your eyes kind of even with the horizon.
Gentlemen, you're going to extend your right arm, and you're going to put it on her shoulder blade, your fingers comfortably together.
Ladies, rest your left arm lightly on your partner's right arm. Think of Velcro. You're just sticking the Velcro together. You don't push down really hard, but you do want to make a connection. Take your left hand, keep your fingers together, not stiff or anything. Just rest them on your partner's shoulder. If he's a lot taller than you are and you can't reach up to the shoulder, go ahead and place your hand on his arm.
And gentlemen, you're going to hold your left arm up comfortably about the height of the lady's eyes, palm facing her.
Ladies, take your right hand and just gently cup it and hang it up right into your partner's hand to make a connection with your palms together, but you do not curl your fingers up too tightly and grasp with the fingers at all. You just make a connection.
Right. Your connection is really the palm, not your fingers right now. So, basic box for the foxtrot, and the count is quick, quick, slow. The girl is going to be offset to the man's right slightly, so that when he steps, they're not going to step on each other's toes.
Ladies, rest the weight of your body into your left hip, so on your left foot.
So making the bend on your right hip. You're going to start with your left foot with a side, and then together, and then forward, together, side, together, and back, together. And the count is quick, quick, slow. It goes like this. Quick, quick, slow. Quick, quick, slow. Quick, quick, slow. Quick, quick, slow. Next we're going to show us a quarter turn. And as we do the box, you start turning. The way you do that is on the forward step, you start rotating. So it's going to be side together, forward, side together, back. You're doing a quarter turn. You do another one, side together, forward, side together, back. Then 2 quarter turns, we're halfway around. Side together, forward, side together, back, and then side together, forward, side together, back. Okay, next step we're going to show is the lady turn, and that starts at the beginning of the box. Remember, the box is a square that we're tracing on the ground when we're doing our step. There's the 4 corners of the box. The first half of the box is that first side together forward, that's the first half. Second half of the box is side together back. So, count, if you count it out, is side together forward, side together back. At this point, you're going to raise the lady's arm just above her head, just enough. You don't want to stretch it way up high, just be comfortably above her head. And then you're going to turn her. You're going to help her turn just by a little bit of a nudge on the back. You're going to keep your count the same. You're going to turn slightly. It's going to be side together forward, just like before. Now, notice I turned a quarter of a turn to meet her, and that's to make it much easier to meet her. Again, we'll do one basic, and then we'll do a lady turn. Side together forward, side together back. Lady turn, maybe the second half of the box, side together back. And that's the second half of the box. Now, lady reverse turn starts at the beginning of starts at the beginning of the second half of the box. And that is we're going to go side together forward, lift the arm just like we did before. You keep the same count, side together. Except this time, instead of coming back, because always she goes up, you just slide it sideways, so you just eat with her. So again, we go side together forward, prepare, side together back. Except instead of going back, we're going sideways, so she's right there. Now the other one is lady combination turn, and that goes like this: side together forward, side together back. Like the regular turn, you lift up the arm. The difference is going to be we're going to bring her back. So we're going to go side together, except slide side The lady doesn't know we're going to do this yet. She always keeps her hand at waist height because she doesn't know what's going to happen next. So, she's here. Now we're going to do the same thing going back the other way. Side together. This way, you slide this way. So it's quick, quick, slow still. We'll do it again. So quick, quick, slow. Quick, quick, prepare. Quick, quick, slow. Quick, quick, slow. You're back at the beginning of a basic. You go right back into a basic. The other thing we do is a progressive step. Then we're going to do it this way so you can see all of it. Progressive step goes this way. You start like you start your basic. Side together, forward. But now, instead of drawing it, you're going to be stepping. And this count's the same, okay? So the count's still going to be quick, quick, slow. Quick, quick, slow. Quick, quick, slow. When you're slow, when the man ends up on his left foot at any point, he can stop and then go back into the second half of the basic with a side together back. Again, you start first half of basic, side together, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, side together, back, and you're back into your basic box. The last step that we do is called the hesitation step or side step. And that is the same count, but we're just going sideways. If you have people in front of you or people behind you, you just need to go sideways, you can do this step. So side together. You still do side, so it's still quick, quick, slow, but you're going to the side, so you're going forward. So it's quick, quick, slow, and then back the other way. Quick, quick, slow. And then you're just back to the basic again. Now you may have noticed when we're dancing, when we come to the two corners of the box, that we actually do what's called a draw. And that is when we come together, side together, forward. This foot actually comes up, and the heel will actually come up as you do that. That's called a draw step, and that just adds a little more style to the dance. So, on the first half, it's quick, quick, slow, draw, quick, quick, slow,